Power Series Pro panel. Before we start, make sure you have some required information first. You should have your own master or supervisor code to enter user programming. From the client, you must have three things. 1. The 4-digit user number, which we use to track them across alarm reports. Typically, we try to use a number ranging from 10 to 1000. 2. Their 4-digit user code to arm and disarm the alarm. This is what they'll actually be entering on the keypad. 3. A list of the partitions or areas that they have access to. In our example, our master code will be 4, 3, 2, 1. Suppose that we were to enroll user 100 with a user code of 9999. This employee will have access to partitions 1 and 2 only. First, navigate to user programming via star and 5. Input your 4-digit master or supervisor code to enter programming. From there, enter the 4-digit user number to program them. Here, I enter 0100 to program user 100. The keypad will display press star for access code. Press star once to enter the section. If there's no existing code programmed to this user, you'll see AAAA. If you see existing numbers, verify with the client so that we do not unintentionally overwrite an existing user. From here, we're going to be inputting the new code, 9999. Once you're done, the keypad will automatically back out to the previous section. Now, to assign partition access levels, use the arrow keys in the upper left-hand corner and scroll to the right until you see partition assignment. Once there, press star once. On here, you can press star to toggle access for the partition listed on the display. In our case, we only want 1 and 2 enabled. Make sure that they are listed as Y for yes in the bottom right-hand corner and scroll right across the partitions. Press star to disable the ones that they do not have access to and continue parsing to the right across all of the partitions. 1 is enabled, 2 is enabled, 3, turn that off, 4, disable it, 5, off, 6, off, 7, off, 8, off. Once done, press pound to exit, and pound once more to end programming for that user. If you wish to check over your work, scroll once to the left to the previous user you were just on, user 100, and press star to re-enter. You can press star to view the access code. There's a new code, pound to back out, and scroll to the partition assignment, star to go back in, scroll right, 1 is enabled, 2 is enabled, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 are disabled. Now that you're finished, press pound all of the way out to the beginning. And you're done programming users.